Something mind boggling just happened this evening. It made me, it was like I had stopped dead in the tracks. It was so dumbstruck. I was feeling so much that I couldn't feel what I'm feeling. I know it's hard to comprehend what I'm trying to say, but honestly, how this is how exactly it was. I couldn't understand the emotion that I was going through. I was at a shopping destination and I was splurging money like crazy, like there's no tomorrow. I stopped for food, and while I'm consuming the food inside, I noticed three kids, all three of them girls, peeping inside the restaurant from the outside, peeping through the glass doors, and they couldn't enter. In fact, they never would have entered throughout their lives. I stepped outside. I asked them, "Can I get you some food?" They agreed, and they entered. But we're not gonna talk about that. What I did for them. But when they entered, they came with baskets of clutchers and those ladies bands and all of that stuff, the accessories and all. These kids would be in the age group of 6 to 9 years old, not beyond that. And I asked them, "What are your names?" Obviously, it was awkward for them to get inside such a place because they're not used to it. I asked them their names. They told me their names. They were Preeti, Kranti, and Rani. So jokingly, I asked them, "आप कहाँ की रानी बनोगे? या आप क्या क्रांति लाओगे जीवन में?" I told them that my friends in school used to tell me कि तू तो बड़ा होके क्रांतिकारी बनेगा. So we had a good chat about that. But right after that, I didn't have a question to ask them. What do we generally ask each other? Where do you work? Where do you put up? Which school do you go to? Which college do you go to? But I thought just asking them these questions would be really stupid on my part. Had I asked them, "Where do you stay? Where do you put up?" they would say, "Right there on the street." Or had I asked them, "Which school do you go to?" the answer would either have been, "We don't go to school, we are working," or it would have been, "We go to a government school." Again, not a very fancy thing to talk about. So the things that we take for granted, and I pride myself on being a very good communicator. I tell my friends and everybody, I can walk into any door, I can talk to any person, right? Today I could not, and these were just little kids, 6 to 9 years old. I could not talk to them. I didn't have anything to talk to, because I could see how privileged I was sitting inside that restaurant, and how unfortunately underprivileged these people were. The point I want to get across is how we take things for granted. We have long working hours, we hate our job, there's too much pollution, there's too much traffic, there's too much corruption in the country, and I had pizza yesterday or last week, so I want to have Thai food today. I had Italian yesterday, so today I'll have Mexican. Throwing tantrums around like candy. But think about those people. I know there was one time where in a group we had donated some gulab jamun or rasgulla something, and that kid less than 5 years old asked us, "भैया ये गोल गोल क्या चीज़ होती है?" I had tears in my eyes, like when my mom asks me, "ये खा ले वो खा ले," and I'm like, "No, मीठा नहीं खाना, ये नहीं खाना." I want to have pastry, मैं तो blueberry cheesecake खाऊंगा. You are able to live that life because you have a choice. Those people have never seen this side of life, and they probably never will. So next time you make an excuse, think about it. Think about it hard, very hard. What are you complaining of? If you have 5 things to complain about, you probably have 500 things to be grateful for. You don't need me to give you that list. You are living, you have oxygen flowing through your body. That's the biggest thing. And there are plenty other things, your parents, your car, your house, no matter how old, how bad it is. Dude, you have something to drive in. You don't have to walk. You have a roof above your head which saves you from the thunderstorms, the rain, the harsh winters. Next time you go about making an excuse, think about it.